I forgot to change the label last time. No, I didn't. Don't even know what year I'm on right now. Okay, so 1E is sketching the waveform I of L, indicating appropriate magnitudes for the vertical and horizontal axes, including a segment for t is less than 0. Alright, so we already solved I of L, or IL rather, is equal to 15A minus 12A e to the t over, I'm going to go ahead and use his value, which is 0.12. No. Oh, I think I know where I messed. Well, I don't know if that even works. Okay, 0.0125 is the number that he uses. Alright, so let's see. If this is I of L, then we're going to have a graph. This is IL. This is T. I'm going to go ahead and make this in milliseconds so that everything works out nice and pretty. And we'll put tau right here. So this will be 12.5. And then we need a negative portion. Alright, when this whole thing is in steady state, the I of L is defined as V of S being equal to I times R1. We already calculated that. That's 15 amps. So up until here, it's going to be 15 amps. At the point where t equals 0, excuse me, that's not 15 amps. I'm so sorry. That was so wrong. Vs is 12 equals IL times 4, so IL equals 3 amps. I'm so sorry, that is so wrong. Yeah, so 3 amps, and that is confirmed by, if you look at this, 5A minus 12A is 3A. So we're good, because this would be 0 up here, so this whole thing would be 1. Alright, now we want to consider, where is its limit? When this equals infinity, what's the upper limit? When this equals infinity, when t equals infinity, this 12 just goes to be 0. Negative. There's a negative I forgot about. Yeah, that should be a negative. So yeah, that 12 part does go to be 0. So its maximum is going to be 15. Its limit is going to be 15. So 15 amps. And then we're going to have tau right here, which is going to be, I just forget what the significance of the time constant is exactly, but if I remember correctly, then it means that it has reached, like, at this point the current will have reached like 60% or something of that of the final, not 60% exactly, but it'll have crossed 60% of the difference here, basically. That's what I understand. So the time constant, basically, in this case, just talks about how close it is to its final value, which is to say it's pretty close. Alright, oh dear. Jeez, these tablets are harder to use than you would realize. Alright, and there's our graph. I don't know if he wants us to label, like, what the current is at that particular point or anything like that. I'm not going to do it, because I'm not 100% sure. But maybe he wants that. Maybe you should look into that. I can't do everything for you.